Almost every aspect of a chart can be edited after its creation. If you access the Chart menu, which is visible when the chart is selected, the chart type, source data, and many other chart options can be affected. Let's select a new chart type. This takes you back to that dialog box that allows you to select the kind of chart we're representing. Let's scroll down and look at a cylindrical chart. It's very similar to the bar chart we just had. It's just a little flashier in 3D. Let's go ahead and select that type. We can also reposition our chart within our page. I can resize it, move it, and enlarge it. We can position it and size it anywhere in our sheet to give it the best presentation possible. To edit individual elements within the chart, simply select the element, usually double-clicking. By double-clicking on the title, I've gotten into the Format Chart Title dialog box, which will allow you to control the coloring, the font, and alignment of your chart title. In this case, I'm going to select the title and correct a spelling error. And I'll click away to finish editing, and now we have a brand new corrected title. I can edit the legend by simply clicking on the legend. This will allow me to move it, resize it, and I can work with each individual series title within the legend by simply selecting that. Now I can control the font size, and many other aspects for that legend. If I want to affect a data series, I simply need to select one bar of the data series. You'll notice that by selecting one of the bars for the fourth quarter, all of the data series for the fourth quarter were selected. Now I can go in and change their color. With a double click, I get into the Format Data Series dialog box, and I have a ton of different options that I can apply to that single data series. Let's go ahead and change the color. Because we're working with a three-dimensional chart, we can also alter the three-dimensional view. We can do that in one of two ways. First, we can go up to the Chart menu and select 3D View. That brings up a dialog box that allows us to incrementally move the view that we have currently. If you double-click any of the controls, they begin an animated move. I can rotate, and I can adjust the levels of my view in a very precise way using these dialog boxes. Let's say OK to this, and you can see it moved my view just a little bit. If I select the plot area behind my bars, I get these corner handles, and when I grab one of them, I can rotate the chart freely. And when I release, you can see I have a brand new perspective on this chart.